Commission, INEC, I present to you for the Northeast and the Southwest.
I'm leaving the record. Okay.
Let's see. Thank you. I don't know how many years
ecstatic. I'm over the moon. We worked hard for this victory, and today this is the culmination of all that hard work. So I'm glad it paid off. I want to thank His Excellency, the President of our country, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for giving us all the support in the APC. Indeed, this is my first time contesting on this platform, and it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. I want to thank my state governor, His Excellency Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, the deputy governor who was with me and led the campaigns throughout, His Excellency Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, the National Working Committee of our party, the State Working Committee headed by the chairman, and all the ESCO, by Lawrence Oka, all the people that campaigned with me, the leaders especially that campaigned with me, former deputy governors and everyone, not exempt. And of course, the good people of Ovia Federal Constituency, the voters, because they were the ones who made today possible. So I thank them so much. This is for them, and I dedicate this to them. And I am assuring them that I will certainly live up to and exceed expectation. The National Assembly is not new to me, and indeed it's a very familiar territory, and therefore I'm going to hit the ground running. They should expect to see the best and nothing but the best. Well, first of all, as a legislator, of course, you would expect to hear my voice, and indeed they will certainly hear that. And secondly, of course, large developmental strides. I'm coming in the middle of a tenure, so it's not the same. But nevertheless, of course, I will do my utmost best to bring development to Ovia Federal Constituency.
My people, that I will not disappoint them, and that all the necessities that are available in the Senate seat, I'll make available for them accordingly.
Sir, you are coming just 2 years to go, and you are succeeding a sitting governor while he was in the Senate. Is that not a huge challenge?
It depends what you mean by huge challenge. For me, it's not a huge challenge because it is what it is. Because it happened that we're happy that my governor today is our governor and is working, and his grace of being the perfect governor is also going to see me through by 2027. So I don't see any challenge, I don't see anything I'm worried about. I'm quite sure. And the way I attend to my people, the way I attend to them right now, these few years I'm here, I'm people to get there, will also determine what they feel about me. I'm quite sure I will do my best so that they can know that, yes, if I give the opportunity to go to the second of my tenure, I'll do more.
Actually, my name is Mukhtar Rabi Garki, the newly elected member of House of Representatives, Babra Garki constituency. I thank Almighty Allah for giving us this victory. Actually, this victory is not only my own, it's for the people of Jigawa State, and it's for my governor. It's a manifestation of a deliverance of his good services to the community. That is why they came out in mass and voted for us. That is a manifestation of his good governance and his justice and equity in deliverance of services.
My name is Amin Sani Gumel, the FCT Chairman, Jigawa State. Yeah, indeed we are happy and we are glad to be here this morning in the company of our elders and to escort or to witness the collection of certificate of return to our candidates, which our people have voted for, and I know they have made the right choice. So we are glad to be here, and we are happy our party has won, and we are happy. We wish to be won again.
My name is Bala Ibrahim, Secretary to the Government of Jigawa State.
Congratulations for this outing.
Thank you. Well, this is a thing of joy, actually, to be here to accompany one of our party men who has just won the Gariki Babura Federal Constituency election. We are really full of joy, and we wish him the best of luck, and we hope and pray that he will deliver, and we believe that he will do so. So we are really very happy, and we appreciate the National Electoral Commission for all it has done to conduct a very fair and free election in Jigawa State, especially the one we really conducted in Gariki Babura constituency.
Right Honorable Harun Ali Engiatin, Speaker, Jigawa State House of Assembly. We are happy, joyous, because today we went and campaigned and people agreed with what we have said to them and they have voted our candidates. So we are happy and we really appreciate the people of Babura Garki constituency for voting our party, the APC.